Here's my 2005 E46 330xi replacing the front side fender. This body shop quoted me $600 to fix this. Minor dent, but deep scratches and some paint job. And I said, let me just buy this perfectly used one for $200 on eBay. So let's do this swap right now. First, I'm going to pop the hood and see what I need to do. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I believe we have to take the side marker out as well. And that is just the Phillips screw. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 T30 Torx from the top. Just going to take those out real quick. Alright. Okay, so I actually looked at the older one as reference, and there is one more at the very top, hidden underneath this rubber grommet here. So I'm going to take that one off. And I do need to take the wheel off and then get into the inner well. There are two screws, one at the door side, bottom, and then actually underneath, and then one underneath here by the front bumper. So let's take out the wheel. Alright, I just jacked the car up. Let me take out the wheel real quick. Looking at the inner well, we've got all these 8mm bolts. I'm just going to go around and take them all off. See what we're working with, and I believe these are just plastic tabs. Once you get the inner fender removed, you can remove this 10mm bolt right here. And they'll completely disassemble the front side of the side fender. You want to get to the door screw first, right by the top. Okay, I believe this is the hardest bolt to get to. That would be hard to get back into. That will be all. So all of the fenders should be free. Okay, I believe now we have to just take out this side marker. I forgot how to do this. Everything should be free. And the side marker. And I can sell this part for maybe 50 bucks or something. Okay, now we are going to install the side fender, and the trick is you do have to put your front side first, coming out from this way. So you want to actually, I'll show you right now. This part right here, yeah, this part needs to line up with the front side, and I'm going to come here first and then insert it this way. I tried to go in from here, go in here and then come out this way, but that wouldn't work. It has to come in here and then come inside like that. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay. Alright, it's in. I'm just going to line everything together. Okay. So it's 10 millimeter. And then I can tighten all these. These are the T30 Torx. Okay. So the unpainted 10 millimeter goes inside here. There's actually a painted one. This is for the upper door. Oh wow. Look at that perfect fitment. Yep. Wow. I am super happy with this. Super happy. And then this long one on this side here. I'm going to do this. Wow. Look at this fitment. I'm so happy with this, you guys. You guys have no idea how happy I am right now. Everything's just going in so smoothly. Okay, that's all tight. I want to tighten the other ones here. Those two screws are tight. Gap is perfect. I do want to get to that door screw first, right by the top, to pull everything in place. Okay. Look at that. Flawless. Looking so good. Just gonna put all this back together, which is easy. super happy with this job. Like a glove, like a perfect glove. Now the check for the hood gap. Oh, wow. 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 Perfect. All right, all the screws for the side fenders are done, and then just the inner lining. I gotta put the screws back on, and that's it. Okay, everything is in. Everything is in. And now putting the wheels back on. That's it. Dunzo. Dunzo. Look at that. Out with the old, in with the used, looking good as new. See you guys next time.